In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the appearance of Microsoft Edge to match your system theme. Making Edge follow your system's overall look can create a more seamless visual experience, especially if you're used to working across various programs that have a consistent theme in place. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. If you don't already have it open, it can be easily accessed from your desktop or taskbar by clicking on the Edge icon, which resembles a swirl of blue and green. Once Edge is up and running, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface before we move on to the next step. Go ahead and navigate your attention to the top right-hand corner of the Edge window where you'll spot 3 dots arranged vertically. This is where you can access a multitude of options. Think of it as your gateway to the browser's settings menu. Give this button a click. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select Settings from this list. Clicking on Settings will open a new page within the Edge browser, presenting you with a sidebar on the left featuring a variety of categories. Focus now on the Appearance option within this sidebar. Clicking on that will bring up a new set of options in the main section of the screen. Appearance settings in Edge allow you to customize your browser aesthetically, tailoring it to fit your personal taste and usability preferences. Here, look for Overall Appearance. Under this section, you'll notice that you have different options regarding how Edge can display themes. For today's purpose, you're going to select the System option. Clicking on System will align the browser's theme with whatever light or dark mode your computer is currently using. This ensures a cohesive, unified look across your applications and operating system, making everything visually flow together much more smoothly. And just like that, you're done. Changing your browser's appearance settings is as simple as a few clicks. It's all set to adapt automatically with the rest of your system's theme. Whether you just prefer the convenience of syncing themes or simply want to try something new, knowing how to manipulate these settings is an essential tool in your browser's tool belt. Practice makes perfect, and as you become more comfortable with the Edge settings interface, you might discover other unique ways to personalize your browser experience. If you ever want to delve deeper into more customization options, this is a great starting point. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video.